If you've got a sweet tooth and you're trying to lose weight or cut fat, I gotcha. Hi, I'm Mike, and I'm the Gen X best friend you never knew you had. So back in the 1980s, you had an explosion of fruit-based desserts like peach cobbler, apple crisp, berry crumble, and so I developed as a Gen Xer a sweet tooth for these what I call the exploded pies. And it's really filling, and I've created a version of my own. So let me put you right here on my shelf. And you only need a couple of ingredients. First, you need frozen fruit. So usually I make it with frozen cherries. Today we're gonna try some frozen mixed berries. It's gotta be frozen so that you get the juices. And you're also going to need some old-fashioned oats. So here's how you make it. First, you take some frozen berries and you just pour that into the bowl here. It's good enough. Then you get this old-fashioned oats. It's got to be old-fashioned rolled oats and can't be any other kind of steel-cut oats because rolled oats or old-fashioned oats are actually steamed. Most people don't know that. They're actually pre-cooked. And you're just going to put it on top just like that. Now we're just going to pop this into the microwave just like that. And let's go ahead and go for 1 minute. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Let me show you guys exactly what this deliciousness looks like. Look at that. Look at that. And now for the taste test. All right. I'm gonna taste this. Normally I make these with frozen cherries, so I don't know what this is gonna come out to be like, but let's taste it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's not as sweet as frozen cherries. If you're gonna try this, I recommend doing frozen cherries your first time. But this is still delicious. It's a little more tart because there's different mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, but this is amazeballs. This really, yeah, this hits the spot. If you want something that's filling, and the oats are super filling, it gives you that complex carb that prevents you from snacking. This is a real deal. You're welcome.